can relax in case you're not sleeping or you're chilling, you're doing something. We have some information here. They tell you life is too short to be anything but happy. Yeah, you just get to learn more about the resort, and also here they offer like things like laundry and so on. Yeah. Next is this beautiful bed. It's big and I love this light. How cute. Yeah, I feel like jumping on the bed.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Con la luna a mi hermosa estrella. Y no escuché lo que dicen, pa' mí eres bella. Eres perfecta por fuera.
Mini fridge over here. You can store anything you want to store there to be cold. And then we also have a kettle. And you can make your coffee or tea.
Embarrassed. This is really embarrassing.
Beautiful mirror for makeup application. Yeah. The washroom. Here we have the closet. It's really beautiful with the African design. So you just push it like this. We have a safe box here. You can keep your valuables. And outside, you can just hang your clothes. I think this is the laundry basket. These are our bags. And yeah, let's come into the washroom right now. Wow, so that is the toilet over there. Here we have the sink. They have provided us with mineral water. They say this one is not salty, and glasses to use when you're brushing your teeth. And I love this mirror. It's so clear and fantastic. Yeah, and then on this other side we have the bathroom. It's so nice. I love it. Even the shower, nice. Towels. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, and that's it for the mini room tour. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll go to have some tea after this final room tour. god, their food was so delicious. We are full and so tired. We are just having our final drinks before we retire to bed. And have I mentioned we came with Spot On Adventures? They were really nice. They organized transport, transfers and accommodation for us. We also got a very warm reception at the hotel. Everyone was really nice. They kept on checking on us to know if we needed anything or if we were enjoying our stay. So far so good. So excited and anticipating to enjoy my birthday tomorrow.
So guys,
yeah, and that's it. Hello. Stop me. Yeah, come enjoy with us, join us. Stay tuned for more content.